Nowadays, many companies use many tools to achieve their different tasks. However, these tools sometimes are not connected together. So, the data is imported manually, which can lead sometimes to some loss of important information. We are talking about office tools, internal apps developed by the IT department, and even sometimes tools installed in one situation or one location and not the other. So, in other words, you will get lost, and good luck, in fact, finding yourself in this maze of tools. So the first and the most important criterion to choose a tool or a software to help you in your daily task is think globally. Thinking globally, that means the software should have many features that will allow you to use it in many areas, such as EHS functions, quality too, and why not ESG tools, to help you anticipate and prepare the requirements, the regulations, and the sustainability reporting standards to come. So, review and sort out all your tools and invest in a whole global tool to help you go through your daily tasks and centralize all your data and key information on a single platform. The second criterion is be autonomous, so autonomy. Get rid of all your army of developers and give way or make way for the no-code solution. Choosing a no-code solution will give you complete autonomy in implementing and deploying this tool in your company. After a small training or skill development, you will be able to configure and customize the software on your liking and however you would like, without the need of high skills in software development. So all your users will no longer have the burden, or they will no longer be bound to the editors of the software, basically, or even your IT department to solve the slightest problems or any other requirement. Therefore, a no-code solution is the guarantee of fast ROI rather than investing in traditional development softwares. The third and fundamental criterion in the choice of EnHSQ software is the ability to centralize and collect all the key element data in your daily activity. Make sure that the solution have applications and features that can be installed on your tablets and smartphones. This will greatly help your operational teams on the field, which are automatically connected through these applications to the home platform that can feed all the global action plans, in addition facilitating the decision making based on this collected data. Moreover, this solution or these features should have an offline mode which can greatly help in some certain areas. Finally, make sure that this solution interfaces with key software in your information system, such as HRIS or ERP. Why? To avoid double entries and to save everyone's time.